Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoy whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not subscribe, I will hold Santa hostage until you subscribe to me. So don't do that. Don't do that. But today is Mish Monday. So for today, I chose the Chamonix Après-ski palette from Nomad and the Christmas Market palette. I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. So if you want to do a little palette bingo, a little makeup time, then let's get into it. Hello, hi, and welcome to a little Mishmash Monday, my dudes. If you can hear a noise in the background, that's Bob purring like a mother effer. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. Happy first day of Christmas. It is freezing in Minnesota right now, but no, I will be back in Minnesota by the time this goes up. But I'm filming this on, what is today? November 20th. So happy December 1st. Today we are doing a little Mishmash Monday. If you don't know what Mishmash Monday is, Mishmash Monday is where I take two palettes from my collection. I try to choose ones where the color stories are complete opposites, and then I random number generate 3 shades out of each. Since today is the first day of December, I decided to go with my kind of Christmassy palettes. So I went with the Nomad Christmas Market one. This is their newest palette, which looks like this. And then their Après-ski palette, which looks like this. I don't know. I thought this would be fun. They're kind of opposite ends of the spectrum. A little bit. I think it would be a lot of fun. So I'm hoping that this turns out good because I have date night tonight. So fingers crossed. Let's go random number generate our shades. Let's do this thing. So there is 18 shades in the Après-ski palette here. My mouth is hurting really bad right now. Just an FYI. It's not fun. Yay wisdom. It is my tonsils that is causing all this issue. Okay, here we go. Two is that shade right there called Haute Savoy. Next, 10 is that shade right there called Ski. And last but not least for this palette, 13 is that shade right there called Vinchwad. Also, if you see that my background is a mess, it is because it is. I'm currently between two places. This is kind of just like my filming area. It's gonna get figured out. Anyways, moving on. The Christmas Market palette has 15 shades. So, two is that shade right there called O Tannenbaum. Next, one is that shade right there called Nutcracker. Okay, we only have one shimmy right now, so please, 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 please. If it's not a shim, I'm rolling until we get a shim. I don't care. 11 is that shade right there called Almonds and Chestnuts. I'm excited to see how this ends up looking. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, when I was swatching I'm not gonna lie, when Almonds and Chestnuts popped up, I was like, shit, this is gonna be bad. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is a really, really solid color story. I really, really do like this. I think this is gonna be fun. This is a lot fun for Christmas. So, I mean, if these were reds, this would be like perfect for Christmas. So like pink is in the red family. We're good. Okay, so this side right here is the Après-ski and this side is the Christmas Market. So we have Haute Savoy, Ski, Vinchwad, O Tannenbaum, Nutcracker, and then Almonds and Chestnuts. Yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. I can see something. Again, I'm sorry, this is gonna be another Halo Eye. I don't give a shit. Don't mind me. This is just what we do around here. Sometimes I get in a rut. It is what it is. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer, and then I'm gonna set it with some Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Gencists Powder. Let me scoot you in. So, like I said, I think we're gonna do some sort of a Halo Eye. We're gonna put the green out here, put the pink and the brown like right in here, and then maybe plop that Almonds and Chestnuts in here, and then bring that pink shim in the inner corner. I think that's gonna be my game plan. I'm super excited. I think this is gonna be fun. Let's do this thing. Start with the Chamonix Après-ski palette, and we're gonna go in with that ski shade right there. Taking it on my Rephr 01 here, and we're going to bring it out here. And then in here. I'm sorry for all the Halo Eye content, but also at the same time, I'm not. This is just how it's been rolling. Because I've been doing so many palette bingos. I promise it's not going to be like that for the rest of December, okay? I don't have my full December schedule figured out, as I will be in Arizona. My friend's coming with me to Arizona. It's just all about figuring it out. But we'll get there. Yeah, just taking that ski shade and blending it into the crease area here. I think this is going to be a bomb freaking look, and it's going to be amazing. I'm speaking that into existence. Like I said, I have date night tonight. We're going to get sushi. We might be doing an activity. I don't know. We'll see what we end up doing. But I think I have the perfect shirt. It's all about pants. I don't like pants. I mean, like, I love pants. My favorite pants are like sweatpants, but like dressier pants, I don't know what to wear. You know, like I have jeans, but those aren't necessarily dressy. You know, that's where I fumble. Okay, stop judging me. Okay, once I have that set into there, we're going to switch over to a Refer 14 or Refer 13. I haven't really decided. And we're going to switch over to that Christmas Marketplace. I'm so sorry. The Christmas Market palette, the Eau Tannenbaum shade right there. Like I said, Refer 13 or 14, doesn't really matter. And bringing that Eau Tannenbaum shade into right here. Just like so. So I'm just placing it for right now. In a minute, I'm going to blend it in, or I guess right now. Sometimes my brain and my hand are on two different things. So just like so, that's gorgeous. I think I might add just a little bit more just because I do kind of want this color to pop. That's bomb. I like that a lot. So that's bomb. I'm going to go into my Refer 26 and that Nutcracker shade right there now. And then I think we'll go in with that pink. That one right there. But I want to deepen right out here first before I bring that in. So just taking that on my Refer 26, like I said, bringing it on to that Eau Tannenbaum shade. We're using that Nutcracker. Just deepening this out. Right now, I'm just more so about placing. And then we'll blend in a second. This is so bomb. I'm loving this. Going back in with that Refer 14 that I used earlier and just blending that in here. What I think I might honestly do, what if we just use this in here and then use the pinks like in the inner corner? I think that would be so cool. Okay, so I think that's going to be the plan. I don't know where that is at the moment, but I'm going to use some of my Glimmer Grass from Unearthly. I'm going to plop that in there, and then I think we're going to go in with that almonds and chestnuts shimmer right there. Once I have that placed in that little area, we're going to go in with that almonds and chestnut shade, like I said, and on my Refer 21 here, just taking it and plopping it on. Ooh. That's gorgeous. That's so freaking pretty. I like that a lot. I have no idea what I'm going to wear for an outfit for tonight now. I'm really liking how this looks though. I'm gonna clean that brush off a little bit. And I might actually. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Refer 13 here, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that Haute Savoy shade because just sit with me for a little bit. Like, not a lot at all, and kind of just bring that right in here. Yeah, it kind of just gave it a little bit more life. I like that a lot, actually. No, yeah, I think that was definitely the right move. So I'm going to go do the rest of my face here, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys all those details, and we'll do the inner corner. But yeah, I think adding that Haute Savoy shade in there was definitely the move. I'm trying to pack and do my makeup and film at the same time, so it's kind of hectic right now, and I'm sorry. I ended up going in with a little bit more, like a little bit up that what is that shade? The Vinchard shade right there around where I put that pink before, and I think it did a little bit more, you know, I feel like it did something. But I went in with this ColourPop BFF cream gel liner in Wildcat. And here for blush, I went in with two. I went in with this ColourPop Extract True Love's Form one that looks like this, plus this Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette, and I went in with Raw and Mouth Watering right there. For highlight, I went in with two. I went in with the Blend Bunny Knock to Loose It one. I went in with that shade right there called Dreamlike. And then I went in with the Frosty the Snowman Winter Wonder Super Shock Highlighter from ColourPop here, because yeah, I think this is looking so bomb. I'm not even gonna do a lip. Like I think my natural lip color is like really doing it right now. So there is that. I love the big lashes. It's always such a fun time. Okay, let's do this under eye. I'm super excited for this. I'm super excited to go get packing, have that off my plate. I'm gonna go in, I think, with that Ski shade right there. And I'm gonna take that on my Refer 03 here and bring that along the lower lash line right here and right here. Yeah, this is looking so bomb. Okay, switching over to my Refer 23 here, we're gonna go to the Christmas Market palette, and we're gonna go in with that Tannenbaum shade right there. Like I said, my Refer 23, and just bringing that right here, right here. I'm trying to decide if I want to bring this palette with to Arizona. I'm going to for Christmas, but like for Thanksgiving when I'm going right now, maybe I won't. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to bring in that almond and chestnut shade right there. There's something in my eye. Going in with my Refer 03 to bring that shimmer right in here. That's, yeah, I like that a lot actually. And then I'm going to switch over to the Après-ski palette because we're going to bring in some stuff into that inner corner area. Yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to bring that brown down. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Okay, so Christmas palette still, and that Nutcracker shade right there with my Refer 23, just to kind of give it some depth down here. Not a lot. Yeah. Okay, now we're back to the Après-ski palette, and we're gonna go in with that Vinchard shade right there, taking it on my Refer 03. Oh god. And bringing that into the inner corner right here. That, I love that so freaking much. I'm just kind of stamping some of it in just because I do want it to pop. I don't think I'm gonna put gems either. This is so bomb. I like this so much. Okay, I'm gonna pop some mascara on and then we'll figure out something. For lip, I went in with two of the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Bombs from ColourPop. I went in with All Melted and Feeling Like Frosty. So these two right here. I think it might be a little bit much, but I wanted to have a little bit of something on my lips. For right now, it feels, I love these so freaking much. And I love this look. Oh my gosh. This is bomb. This is so bomb. I'm gonna pair with a black dress for tonight. I'm gonna look hot. Here is a little look at the look. I enjoy this so much. It is so freaking pretty. I love how everything works together. This is, yeah. Other than the palette bingo that I was doing with Shani the other day, I have had such good luck, especially with my Mesh Mesh Mondays. Like, this is bomb. I love this so incredibly much. Yeah, I'm so glad that I paired these two together. Yeah, I'm gonna go edit this and get ready to go on a date, but if you guys made it to this point in the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching, for supporting me. I'm gonna have other content going out that you'll be seeing, like book stuff and like vlogging and all that stuff, so I'm super excited for all that to go out. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys so incredibly much. Thank you for supporting me. Just, it means the world to me, so just thank you guys so incredibly much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit, to be homophobic, to be transphobic, to be racist. It's 2025. Put your head in your ass and do freaking better, and remember, morals over makeup. Okay. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope that you guys do too. I love you. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.